XB Marketing here, and it's been amazing so far, taking you through this series of creating a Cpagrip account and start making passive income with CPA marketing. And now we're on the video where I'm going to show you how to make your first $600 a day with CPA marketing. Like I said, I am going to be taking this demo account to show you how to do this even as a complete beginner. So the method I'm going to show you is an underground method gurus use to rank their content on Google. And you know what that means? You're going to be getting organic traffic from Google and make money in passive income. So you can do this with any niche. Like I said, you can go over to idplr.com. Just come over to niches. You're going to see a lot of content you can give away to people and start making money in passive income. But in this video, we will be taking the movie niche as an example, as I have seen a lot of comments and people requesting I make content about the movie niche. So I'm going to take the movie niche as an example. So you're going to need two websites for this. So if you come over to this website, torrentgalaxy.to, this is a website that gives you access to download movies for absolutely free. If you come over to the website, you're going to see recent movies being uploaded there on a daily. You can see the date the movies are being added right here. Okay, so now if you go back to this page, you can see this is a new movie, and this movie is a 2024 movie which is available on Netflix, as you can see right here. However, a lot of people don't want to pay to watch this movie, or simply because they can't afford to purchase the subscription. All right, so if I type in this keyword, which most people who are looking for this movie will be typing on Google, if you do that, you can see the first result on Google is this GitHub page right here. So if I open this GitHub page in a new tab, this is this movie right here being promoted by this page. And if I click on this first link, so you can see it brought us to a page about this movie. And I can assure you, this is a CPA landing page where people need to sign up and they are going to get access to watch this movie. So if you go back to this Google page, you can see this took 2 days to rank #1 on Google. And like I said, this is an underground method. And if you want me to bring more strategies like this, then make sure to drop a like and a comment on this video. And I'm going to bring amazing strategies like this. All right. So if we scroll down, you're going to see this one right here as well, which is on LinkedIn. So if I open this in a new tab, you can see this person is hosting this movie on LinkedIn as well. And you can see this is their link right here. So if I click on the link, you can see these people are promoting similar landing page. And like I said, as you can see, $0. People don't need to spend any money to get access to this movie. They simply need to complete CPA offers. So this method is called Parasite method. All right. So a lot of gurus know about this, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So the first thing you'll be needing is a GitHub account, and all you simply need to do is to go over to github.com and you want to click on the sign up button. All you need to do is to come over to this box and type in your email address, and you want to click on continue. Then you want to type in your password as well. So you then want to come over here and type in a username. So you can type in whatever you want here. It doesn't really matter. Then you want to click on continue. So once you do that, they're going to send a code to that email address. And once they send that code, all you need to do is to verify your account. And once you do that, your account is going to look like this. So there are two ways these guys do this and rank on Google as fast as possible. So the first method is to come over to this section right here to click on your profile. All you simply need to do is to scroll to the very bottom of this page and click on GitHub community. So once you do that, then you want to come over to where it says new discussion. So if you do that, it's going to show you a bunch of categories where people used to engage and have a discussion on GitHub. So you want to scroll down here and pick any of these categories. So I'm going to take this general as an example. So you want to click on get started. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to ask you to give this a title, and it's going to ask you to type in the body of this discussion. All right. So as not to prolong this video, I'm just simply going to take this example to show you how to do this. So you want to type in the movie 2024 like this. All right. So I'm going to come back to the page and I'm going to copy the body of this discussion. All right. So once I paste it like this, and also you want to make sure when you come over here to select this question, is very important. Okay. And now you want to come over to where it says preview. And if you do that, it's going to show you everything. However, you want to come over to change this link. Okay. So now you want to come to the right section, and all I simply need to do to change the link is to highlight this. All right. So if I highlight this, all I just need to do is to create my own landing page. And before I proceed, if you don't know how to get the content to use as your body, you can simply go over to Google and type in the movie, and you want to type in Wikipedia. If you do this, this is going to give you the content you can use as the body of that discussion. I hope this makes sense. All right. So once you do that, you want to basically create your own landing page. And of course, because this is a movie niche, you want to simply go over to Fiverr, and you want to have someone on Fiverr create that type of landing page. All you simply need to do is to type in CPA landing page, and you are going to see a lot of sellers on Fiverr that can create this type of landing page for you. You can see someone here as low as $5. They'll create a CPA landing page in whatever niche you want. And all you simply need to do from here is to then go back to your Cpagrip account, and you want to come over to monetization tools, and you want to click on content locker to create a content locker for the movie. So once you do that, all you need to do is to send the content locker script to this Fiverr seller, and this person will be able to create that landing page for you. So like I said, you want to make sure to swap out this link as your own. So once you're done, all you just need to do from here is to click on start discussion. So once you do that, you want to come back to this website, and you want to do this for as many movies as possible. And if you do this, you're going to be ranking on Google, and you're going to be making money in passive income as you'll be getting organic traffic from Google. And keep in mind, Google is the #1 search engine in the world. Okay, so if you scroll down, like I said, you want to do this on LinkedIn as well. You can see this person did it just a couple of minutes ago. You can see their link right here, and I can assure you, as long as they are ranking on this first page of Google, they will be getting a lot of traffic to their link, and they will definitely be making money off that traffic. Finally, before I end this video, you don't have to use the movie niche for this. Like I said, you can go over to use other niches that are available on idplr.com.